Assalamualaikum. Let's say I give you some pieces of stone and some pieces of wood, okay, and I give you 1,000 years. Will you ever be able to create water from those materials? Just water only, not something so complex like a car or an airplane. Just water. Will you ever be able to create water from those materials? The answer is obviously not. And the reason is simple, because water does not come from those materials. You can create a sculpture, you can create a, a building, maybe a house, wooden house, out of those materials, but you will never ever be able to create water even for 1,000 million billion years. Now let me ask you the same thing regarding consciousness and life, evolution. Let's say that, let's see, if Darwinian evolution is true. Darwinian evolution is the evolution of species from common ancestry uh, through the process of natural selection and mutation, and all. So from evolution, it evolves from just non-lively things like water and rocks and gases and hydrogen and oxygen. Would it be would it ever be able to create consciousness? In other words, can material things ever produce immaterial things? Immaterial things right here, it means refers to consciousness. So you see, it won't make sense to say that even if I give you a million, billion, zillion years, that all these material things will ever create consciousness. That's why it's called the hard problem of consciousness. Where does consciousness come from? It does not make sense to say that consciousness comes simply just from unguided, unconscious, accidental evolution from a billion years. Think about it. When there's a consciousness in the universe, on Earth, now what does that show you?